Want to fix REPO Client Timeout? Disconnected cause client timeout? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back connected. Let's dive in. First things first, a client timeout error means your client application couldn't maintain a stable connection with the server for a specific duration, often due to network instability or firewall interference. Now let's start with the basics. Restart your router and modem. Unplug them for about 60 seconds, then plug them back in. Also, restart your PC or device. This often clears temporary network glitches and refreshes your IP. Next, you'll need to check your internet connection for stability and speed. A weak or intermittent connection is the prime suspect for timeouts. Run a speed test to ensure you have sufficient bandwidth. If on Wi-Fi, try connecting to a wired Ethernet cable. You'll also want to check your firewall and antivirus settings. Your security software might be blocking the application or its connection to the server. Temporarily disable them and try connecting. If it works, add exceptions for the application. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. These can sometimes interfere with connections and cause timeouts. Also, try flushing your DNS cache. On PC, open command prompt as admin and type ipconfig/flushdns. Finally, if the problem persists, the issue might be on the server's side, e.g., server overload, maintenance. Check the service's official status page or social media for announcements. Try connecting to a different server if available. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech troubleshooting, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.